adventures of Thomas and his friends home with the Thomas Wooden Railway.
Time to go to the roundhouse.
The Thomas Wooden Railway brings your child's favorite Thomas stories magically to life and provides your little engineer with a rich world to discover and explore. Building with the Thomas Wooden Railway helps children develop physical, social, and cognitive skills, as well as a sense of pride and accomplishment. Plus, your child will learn important lessons about the value of friendship, fair play, and teamwork. Best of all, the Thomas and Friends Wooden Railway carries an unconditional lifetime guarantee, so Thomas will be your child's friend for life.
Now he has to go home.
Inspire your child to believe that little people, like little engines, can do big things. The Thomas Wooden Railway, available at specialty retailers everywhere.